Welcome back to Snippet Coder, and we are back with our fifth video of streaming radio series. And in this video we will create our favorite screen and implement by doing some modification in our existing code to interact it with our local database. Thank you. First of all, we will update our DB service and we will add there one new method, that is row insert. Here we will create a new method, that is static future, type is int, and we are naming as a row insert, and parameter we are passing as a string type of SQL, and we are making it as a async. We are creating this method to insert our favorite radios in the database, that SQL database. So now we will update our player provider.dart file, and we will update our fetch all radius method. We will add new parameter here. Bool is favorite only is equal to false. We are initializing it with a false, and here also we will pass it. We will later on also update our DB download service method, that is fetch local DB. Before doing that, we will add new method also here, that is future, type is void, and we are naming as a radio bookmark, and parameter we are passing int type of radio ID. Then we have a bool is favorite. Also we are passing here parameter of is favorite only as an optional parameter. And we will make it as a async. Now here we will check his favorite val is equal to his favorite, then we are making it as a 1, else we are making it as a 0, because in our SQLite we can't save the variable as a bools. For doing that we have to make it as a int. Now we'll open the database db dot row insert, and here we will create the insert statement. Insert or replace. We are just making a one statement to update that row by using insert or replace. It will check if that radio is already exists. It will just update the value in case of existing row. If it is a new row, it will insert the row in the table. Suppose if the user make it as a favorite, and after that they can also unmark it as a favorite, so same row will be updated in that case. Insert or update into radios underscore bookmark, then we are passing here ID is favorite Then values we are passing here $, then we are passing radio ID $, then we have his favorite val. So after inserting the data, we will just call our fetch all radios method so that it will update our list view to get that updated data of that favorite mark. Fetch all radios, and here we are passing his favorite. So now we will update our DB download service. Here also we will pass one parameter, that is his favorite only. Basically we are adding that is favorite only because we are using the same method of fetch local TV in the radios page and in the local and that favorite page also. So for doing that we have to pass one parameter. On the basis of that we will change our SQL query. Now here we will update string row query is equal to empty. Now here we will check if not of his favorite only, then we will call that our all radios. So what we are doing in this query is we are just doing the join, and we are taking the columns, that is radios.id, then radio name, then radio URL, and then we have a radio description, then we have a radio website, then we have a radio pic, and also we are fetching is favorite from radios, and we are doing the left join. We are doing the left join because we don't have, might be we don't have any data in the radios bookmark also, so that's why we are doing the left join, and we are just mapping it with the radius bookmark dot id is equal to radius dot id, and here we will pass one more condition. If search query trim is not equal to empty, then we will pass that where condition, the same where condition, like this way. In the else condition, now in the else condition, if that is a favorite only screen, then we will pass where condition of, that is where is favorite is equal to 1. And here in the search query we have to remove that where, and we have to add, and rest of the query is same. So now we will update our radio page, and we will make it as compatible with the favorite screen also. For doing that we have to add one parameter here, that is final bool is favorite only. Then we will call the constructor here radio page. Key, then we have this dot is favorite, and we have super, then we pass key here, key. In the fetch all radio we have to pass this is favorite, and we will pass this dot visit dot is favorite only. Same we will update in the search also. Then we will have this dot visit dot is favorite only. Now we will pass the same in radio row template also. That also we will update. Here also we will pass. So now we will update our radio row template. Here we will add final bool is favorite only radio. Will pass in the constructor also. Now we will update our build add favorite icon method, and here we will add some code, that is var player provider is equal to provider of, then we'll pass here player provider. Context, then we will pass listen is true, and here we will update the icon this dot widget dot radio model is bookmark, then we will pass the icon as a normal icon. Now here we are checking if the row is already bookmarked, then we will use the fill icon of that bookmark, else we will update the icon as a empty favorite icon. So now we will write a code on the on press. And here we will use player provider, and we will call the method which we have created row bookmark. Then we will pass the radio ID this dot widget dot radio model dot radio ID. Then we will pass here this dot widget is bookmark. Then we will pass is favorite only, and we will pass this dot widget is favorite only. So basically what we are doing here is we are passing the parameter in our method of radio bookmark, and we are passing the radio ID, then we are passing is it bookmark or unbookmarked. On the basis of that boolean value, and then we are passing is favorite only. Basically this we are doing just to note to our provider that we are calling from that normal radio screen or from the bookmark screen. On the basis of that, the data will be updated. So now we will create our one more page that is of that radio favorite, and we will in that page we will use the same code of that radio page. We will create here fab underscore radios dot underscore page underscore dot file, and we are making it as a stateless widget. And here we are just return new, then we have a radio page, then here we are passing his favorite is equal to true. So now we will update our home page. So here we have to pass his favorite is equal to false. This is a normal radio screen, and the second, previously we are showing that text, and now we will show our favorite screen. We will pass the fav radio page. So before running the application, we have to do some more modification in our radio page also. So now we will create one more widget here, that is widget, then we have underscore no data. So we are creating this widget just for in case of no favorite bookmark, then we will show that no data found, like something like that, no favorite found. For doing that we have to create one widget. So we have to create one variable here, no data text is equal to empty, then we have rule show text message is equal to false, and here we will check if this dot widget is favorite only or this dot widget is favorite only and search query dot text is not empty. Then we will show this message, no data text is equal to no favorites, and show text message is equal to true. Else we will check here search query else if search query dot text is not empty, then we will show no data text is equal to no radios found, and show text message is equal to true. So what we are doing here is we are just checking if it's a favorite only screen or it's a favorite only screen, and we are passing any search query here. Then if data is not coming, then we will show here no text data is equal to no favorites else, and also we are making one variable, that is show text message is equal to true. Else in the normal radio screen we are just checking if the search query is empty, and then we are showing the no radios found. That is, if any search, we have done any search in the text box and we have not found any data, then we will show the message of no radio found. And here we will return the column, then we will have a children's, and here we are using the expanded, then we have a child, and we are showing the center, then we are passing that show text message. We are checking here if show text message is true, then we will show our message here, that is new text and no data. Else we will show the circular progress indicator. So now we will update our radio list to show this no data we get, and we will put that code above that return circular progress indicator, and here we will check if the radio model dot total records is equal to 0, then we will show a return here new expanded child, then we have here underscore no data. So now we are completed with the code. Now we have to run the application to see our favorite screen. So now we will run our application to see the favorite screen which we have just implemented. So here our favorite screen is. So by default we are showing here no favorites because we have not added anything to the favorite. So now let's add something in the favorite. So now I am adding to the second row, that is Desi music mix, and here it is getting added, and here you can see that icon has been changed upon clicking on that icon once we add it to the favorite. So now I will add one more, and here you will see the data. So suppose if I remove from here, it will get removed and the icon has been changed automatically. So that's all in this video. I hope you like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, comment, share, so it will motivate me to do more and more videos. And in our next coming video, that will be our last 6th video, and we will cover all the functionality of the radio with the audio player, and we will do the final integration so that our series will be completed. So thank you all.